Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the all-new 2027 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 32 RLTS. This thing is packed with residential comfort, premium construction, and some smart new updates you'll definitely want to see, so let's jump right in. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at premierrv.com. Starting off on the outside, the 2027 Open Range Roamer 32 RLTS is built with Highland Ridge's Stronghold BBL laminated construction and finished with a beautiful Brianza high-gloss fiberglass sidewall, giving you a clean look while adding long-term durability. The large front pass-through storage compartment features motion-activated LED lighting, durable commercial-grade rubber flooring, and slam-latch baggage doors that make loading and unloading your gear very quick and easy. This coach is also protected by Highland Ridge's Climate Shield 0-degree tested weather protection system, which includes a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, a powerful 35K BTU furnace, residential plumbing throughout, double-layer fiberglass insulation, and dual-sided radiant barrier insulation in the roof, floor, and the front cap. That means you're better equipped for camping at a much wider range of temperatures. Coming around the outdoor side of the unit, you have your outdoor side pass-through storage compartment. You've got an electric auto-leveling system that takes the hassle out of getting perfectly level, and you've also got a 50-amp detachable power cord that provides plenty of power for all your appliances. Utility hookups are just as convenient thanks to the Nautilus 2.5 water management system. Quick connect hot and cold water hookups outside, a fresh water drain valve, and a black tank flush system with an illuminated termination area, and Highland Ridge's No Surprise T-valve. Around the back you'll find your rear camera prep as well as your 2-inch receiver and ladder to get up on the roof. Up top you'll find a 5-inch Magnum Truss roof system with plywood decking and an Alpha Ply TPO roof membrane, one of the thickest roofing membranes in the industry and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Heading inside you've got a nice wide open rear living room floor plan. We will start off over at the freestanding dinette. This gives you a comfortable place for meals, game nights, or even working remotely while you're camping. It features a nice extendable table for some extra seating space and table space. You've also got a ottoman that slides out with some storage in there that's perfect for hiding extra games, blankets, things like that. You can also bring that over into the living room area for some footrest space if you're sitting on the couch. It just gives you that extra little bit of home comfort. Moving on from the dinette area, right next to that in that same slide box are your theater seats. These theater seats are definitely where you will want to spend your evenings, whether you're watching a game or relaxing after a long day of hiking. They're perfectly positioned across from the entertainment center and next to the couch. You've got cup holders and nice lighting above that, along with a ton of window coverage on that slide box, which is always nice. The rear trifold sofa gives you another comfortable place to relax during the day and converts into a memory foam sleeping surface when guests stay over. Large rear windows let in plenty of natural light while giving you incredible campsite views. Highland Ridge also includes blackout roller shades with reflective backing, which helps keep the interior cooler during the summer while giving you added privacy. Last but not least, in your living space, you've got the entertainment center. This has been very thoughtfully laid out. You've got a large 4K Ultra HD Smart TV that comes standard. Below the TV, you've got a LED electric fireplace with a built-in 5K BTU electric space heater. You've got a nice new pull-out little extra desk space that you can bring those extra chairs from the dinette over to use as a little remote desk space too. Below that, you've got your Bluetooth AM/FM stereo and this all-new hidden storage compartment behind the fireplace. Just some extra storage is never something to complain about. I love this new little setup. And throughout the unit, you've got storage that you'll notice soft close cabinet doors, dovetail drawers, magnetic catches, and hidden soft close hinges that really elevate the overall fit and finish of this unit. Moving on to your kitchen, you've got a nice large island kitchen. It feels very residential. You've got solid surface countertops that provide plenty of workspace for meal prep. Highland Ridge includes a 30-inch over-the-range microwave with an exhaust fan, a 21-inch oven, and a 3-burner cooktop, giving you everything you need whether you're making breakfast or a full dinner. Storage is also one of the biggest highlights here. You'll find dovetail drawers throughout, as I mentioned before, heavy-duty, full extension drawer glides rated for 75 pounds, and plenty of upper and lower cabinets featuring soft close doors. The 12-volt, 11 cubic foot black glass refrigerator offers generous food storage while running efficiently off of your battery system. And you've also got a pull-out kitchen faucet that makes cleanup easier, and additional 120-volt outlets throughout the kitchen that give you convenient places to plug in coffee makers, air fryers, or any other appliances that you may bring with you. Residential vinyl flooring runs throughout the coach with no carpet, making cleanup after camping trips much, much easier. And you've also got little details like water shutoff valves at every faucet, venting windows, ceiling dimmer switches, and bright 4-inch LED ceiling lighting that all come together to make this kitchen feel really functional and homey, just overall creating a very comfortable space for you to be camping. Moving up into the bathroom, you'll find another residential inspired design here. You've got a large shower that features a residential style glass door, a skylight with a built-in LED lighting, and prep for an optional teak shower seat. Porcelain foot flush toilet adds another touch of quality, while the medicine cabinet includes a custom framed mirror for extra storage. You'll also appreciate the powered roof vent that helps remove humidity after your shower. And you've got a tankless water heater, which you will find the control for in the bathroom of this unit that keeps your showers nice and hot for you. Last but not least, moving it to the front of the coach, you will find your private bedroom. The standard 66 by 80-inch Olympic mattress provides plenty of sleeping space while lifting up to reveal underbed storage. For even more comfort, Highland Ridge equips the mattress with a copper-infused memory foam featuring aloe vera technology. The custom padded headboard even includes built-in holders for your phone or tablet, making nighttime charging much more convenient for you. USB and USB-C charging ports are located throughout the bedroom, along with prep for a CPAP on either side of the bed. You've also got bedroom TV prep, satellite prep, and washer-dryer prep available. And you're definitely not lacking in storage on this unit. It continues with wardrobes, overhead cabinets, underbed storage, and soft close cabinetry throughout. Climate control in this unit is excellent. You've got a standard 15K BTU whisper quiet air conditioner, and it's also prepped for a second bedroom AC, which is available as an option. This one just so happens to have that option. So that was your look at the 2027 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 32 RLTS. If you're looking for a fifth wheel that blends residential comfort, quality construction, and thoughtful features, this one definitely deserves a spot on your list. If you'd like to see this thing in person, stop by Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, or give us a call. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.